some years back, I was sitting around in the kitchen just playing a few tunes with the fiddle player who may have come here, called Tom McConville, and the telephone rang. I picked it up at my house, my phone. I'm going to answer it. And this disembodied voice at the other end said, "Oh, is Tom there?" I said, "Yes, he is." "Can I say who's calling?" He says, "Can you tell him it's Richard Thompson?" And I'm thinking, yeah, right. Richard Thompson, phone in my house. I don't think so. I thought that. I didn't actually say it. But it was. And the question to Tom was, would he like to go up to this swanky studio in Regent's Park the next day and put down a couple of fiddle lines on an album that Richard Thompson was recording. And Tom came back that night, and buzzing round his head was this song called Beeswing that he played on. And by the end of that night, it was buzzing around my head as well. So that's what this song is called. It's called Beeswing. And it's supposedly based on the kind of life in earlier times of the revival singer Anne Briggs. I suspect it's a wee bit romanticised, but there's a wee chorus that says, "She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You know, you wouldn't want me any other way." It's much easier to sing than to say. I was 19 when I came to town. They called it the summer of love. There were burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the town. And I took a job in the city down on Golden Street, and I fell in love with a laundry girl who was working next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a breeze away, so fine I breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You know you wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzag round her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. Oh, but she said, kind sir, oh, can't you see I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll shoot my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a breeze away, so fine that I might crush her where she lay. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You know you wouldn't want me any other way. And we busked around the market towns, and we picked fruit down in Kent, and we could finger lamps and pots and eggs wherever we went. And so I said that we might settle down, get a few acres done, fire burning in the hearth and babies on. Oh, but she said, oh man, oh foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. Oh, you may be lord of half of the world, you're not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a breeze wing, so fine I breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You know you wouldn't want me any other way. tramp and down the gower one time when the work was pretty cool. She thought we shouldn't wait for the frost, now thought but we were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her run with her rampage. She was a rare thing, fine as a beast wing, so fine ever the wind might blow away. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on the last day, you know you wouldn't want me any other way. Well, the last I heard, she was sleeping round back on the Derby beat. White horse in her hip pocket, and the wool long after her feet. And they say that she even married once a man named Romany Brown. But even a gypsy caravan was too much settling down. And they say that the door has faded now, hard weather and hard booze. But maybe it's just the price you pay for the chains that she refused. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than her words. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, and if I could hold her in my arms today, you know you wouldn't want me any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine I'd rather win my blow away. She was a lost child, she was a running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on lover's day, you know you wouldn't want me any other way.